3 best drones for kids. Here are 3 of the best drones that you could purchase for your kids. Let's get started. AVIALOGIC Q9 drones for kids. This drone has bright blue and green LED lights with a strong illuminating effect. It has 3 different display modes. The 4 full protective guards ensure a safe flight, protecting your drone from damage and children from injury. The structured design and 4 full-cover propeller guards ensure a safe flight, protecting your children from injury caused by spinning propellers. ABS material is of a high quality that can withstand numerous crashes or drops. This drone is extremely durable and dependable. With a single button, you can take off and land the drone. You can also adjust speed. The altitude hold feature allows your drone to hover in the air automatically. It has a 360-degree flip and roll function, as well as a high-speed spin function. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries, allowing for a more extensive flight experience. All these features make the drone extremely beginner-friendly. Q10 Mini Drone with Camera for Kids. This is a camera drone for kids with a lot of mesmerizing features. It has a 720p HD 90-degree manual camera capable of recording video and photos. You can watch a live video on your smartphone via Wi-Fi real-time transmission. Q10 is an adaptable camera drone that can perform stunts such as 360-degree flips, headless mode, and gravity sensor mode, among others. Simple voices are used to control your drone. Gesture control allows you to pose in front of the camera to activate phone photography and video recording. 2 batteries can support a flight time of 18 to 21 minutes. This drone has a low power alert function. When the drone's battery is low, the light will continue to flash, reminding you to return control to you immediately. You can fly the drone with the help of a button. It also has a button to adjust speed according to the kid's level. It has perfect height reach. It can fly according to your given paths and direction, which is the latest technology. It can hear your voice and can act according to your commands. Potensic upgraded A20 Mini Drone 3. This is an upgraded mini drone that helps your kid to use it for longer. It is a rechargeable drone with a remote control to easily handle it. 3 detachable batteries and 3 adjustable speed levels provide an exciting flight experience for both novice and experienced pilots. The remote controller allows you to direct the drone's flight in any direction. Once you're an expert, you can adjust the speed to high and fly through any obstacle course. You can fly it without worrying about the direction and control it more easily with altitude hold, headless mode, and 1 key taking off landing. It is the width of a 5-inch iPhone. It is extremely lightweight and portable, which means easy to carry and handle. Get your family a lovely mini drone toy right now. You have nothing to worry about with a 24-month warranty. This was a list of 3 drones for your kids that they will enjoy. Click on the video you see on the screen now for a list of 3 cool smart toys.